by the fire here, Mr. Morgan.
Reverend.
Swanson.
Fellers?
You spoken a Dutch since you got back?
Yes, Morgan. Air is cleared. We're moving on.
You're lucky he made me come for you. Okay, well, let's talk more later.
Sure.
So, what do you think of this place?
Seems fine for now. I know this area a little.
Is there anywhere you ain't been, Jose? Well, I should get back to it.
Okay, Arthur.
So, what do you think of this place? Better than your little hermit camp, right?
Oh, it's wonderful, Arthur. Thank you for asking.
Yep. Anyway, I won't disturb you.
Okay.
You
Howdy,
joining us
fellas.
here, Arthur?
Hello.
You good there?
Of course. Why?
What's your problem? We can't support a drunk, miss. Oh, go scratch your sores, you old bag. Excuse me? You heard. Drunk or sober, you watch your mouth.
Susan!
Yes,
Thanks for all your efforts.
that's all right.
Hey, y'all.
Hello there.
Arthur?
Take it easy on the bottle today.
Who are you, my pa?
I'm just looking out for you.
Okay, then.
You really need to start helping out around here.
I know.
Arthur.
Lucky Dutch has a soft spot for you.
Right.
Morning to you.
You gonna sit?
What's going on?
Nothing too much at this very moment.
Okay, well, I'll leave you to it.
All right, then.
Careful, Strauss. Oh, damn.
What?
Forgot to drop some of that loan money in the box. All right, well, I should be getting on.
All right, Mr. Morgan. Could I get a little space here, please? Why are you doing this? Why won't you leave me alone?
Got you there, tough guy.
Just name the place, my friend. Just name the place.
How's it going?
I still ain't sure what you want me to be thinking about.
This. All of this. Where it ends.
Okay. Okay, well, let's talk more later.
All right, Arthur.
My mistake, Mr. Strauss.
Why do you act this way? Leave me alone. I trust all's well.
You don't want to know.
Sorry to hear that.
Why don't you sit instead of cluttering the place up?
So, what do you think of this place?
Not bad. Nice to be by the water.
Yeah, it'll do for now. Anyway, I won't disturb you.
Sure.
My mistake, Abigail.
Okay, Arthur?
I think so.
Hi there.
Hey. When are you gonna get your act together?
I'm just minding my own business here.
Can't go on like this.
Yes.
What purpose does this serve?
I'm sorry, Abigail.
Come on, that's enough.
It's good to be warm.
Sure.
So what do you think, Arthur, of Dutch's latest plan?
You know me, I never did much thinking.
Will you please leave me alone? Stay away from me!
Flock is hungry.
It's coming! It's coming!
Apologies, Mr. Strauss. John?
Hey,
You're keeping busy?
trying to.
Well, don't let me stop you.
All right then.
What?
Take it easy with that stuff.
This is taking it easy.
I'll get on those debts.
Good, good.
They better be. Well, I should get back to it.
Sounds good, Mr. Morgan.
Watch it.
Is this meant to be amusing? Just leave me be, will you?
Hey,